Nebraska family shocked by 15-minute hailstorm that left them with $150,000 in damages. Fremont, Neb. With severe weather season in full swing, thunderstorms continue to pound the Midwest with damaging winds and some substantial hail. Horrific storms ripped through Fremont, Nebraska, last Thursday, leaving behind a trail of tornadoes and massive hail. One driver is likely facing a totaled vehicle. Video footage captured by Eric Pettis, seen above, showed the terrifying moment softball-sized hailstones relentlessly pounded his girlfriend's car. The video vividly illustrated the intensity of the hailstorm as enormous chunks of ice, some measuring up to 4 inches in diameter, cracked their windshield and ultimately shattered a side window.